Air pressure experiment. Take a glass, candle and a glass plate. Pour a little water onto the plate. Add a few drops of food colour and mix it well. Place the candle in the middle of the plate. Light the candle carefully with a lighter. Place the clear glass upside down over the burning candle. Watch what happens to the flame and the water level. Let's learn how it works. The flame heats the air trapped inside the glass. Hot air expands and takes up more space. The fire uses up the oxygen inside the jar, and once the oxygen is gone, the flame goes out. When the flame goes off, the air inside the glass cools down very quickly. Cool air takes up less space and creates a low pressure area inside the glass. The outside air pressure is now stronger than the cool, low pressure inside the glass. This outside pressure pushes the coloured water up into the glass. So with this experiment, we learn that air exerts pressure, and pressure differences cause fluids to move.